Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get on your iPod or whatever in case this ever happens. In case your power button just disappears in your screen. See how cracked it is? It's all cracked, and then you turn it on and you want some information off of it, but you can't get on because then you press this, it only goes halfway. So to get onto it, for some reason you need something important. Go to iTunes on your laptop. See, iTunes, okay, yeah, okay. Where's my mouse? Hold on. I'm using my phone, so this is kind of awkward. Okay, in iTunes, on this iPod, see how it looks? Under summary, there'll be apps, music. Well, you click on summary. This is how it'll look. iPod Touch, your information, backups, options. Go to options. Go to where it says configure accessibility. Click it. This pink box will open. Click on voice over. Click OK. Another box will open. Just click continue. Then the lady's voice will pop up, so just click that.
1247.
And she'll tell you.
Slide to unlock.
Or double tap.
Slide.
And
FaceTime.
you're on! Yay! And that's it. Okay.